What's going on, guys? Kevin here, back again with the Six Streets YouTube channel. I probably sound a little bit funny because I'm sick, but I still had to roll this video out for you guys. Now, before we get into this video, just wanted to give some updates. Ever since I got the ISF, brilliant car, a lot of people have believed that I'm pretty much over the Supra, probably going to sell the thing, and I'm totally over it, but I can assure you that is not the case. The plan is still to finish it. We are way closer than we were before. The car is mechanically sound at this point. However, just yesterday something else happened that I'll have to show in a different video. So things are getting interesting with that car. However, we're right on the doorstep. We're right on the doorstep. We just got to finish. It's just taking more time than I would have liked it to. However, on the bright side, ever since I bought the ISF, nothing but an absolute blast to drive, no problems, takes me to work and back reliably, rips when it has to. The car has character, it's entertaining, also a good car to drive in a relaxed manner. So it's not that you have to be ripping it all the time, so still zero regrets with that car. Very happy with it. Now, as far as the channel itself, I'm trying to come back to this way more consistently and just have fun with it, have a good time with it. I disappeared for a good minute due to personal reasons as well as the difficulties with the project car and all that, but I'm back in the game and I'm trying to stay in it, have some fun, and share the journey with you guys. Now, to discuss what's going on in this video and what you're gonna see. This was the Lexus ISF's first time on the track. Now, this was a little bit different than your conventional track day, autocross, or drag racing, right? This was a charity event, give a donation, and you would get a couple of laps around the Homestead Miami Speedway oval, where that's pretty much reserved for NASCAR. You can't really just take your car on there and rip at any time. So once I heard about this special event, I figured it was worth taking the chance and taking the ISF out there. And yes, there is a pace car, that's why you'll notice cars slowing down. However, everybody slows down to rip really hard. And that's what we were all doing. That's what you guys are about to see. It was a good time out there. Hope you guys enjoy. Cue the edit. Haven't been out here since my old 7M Supra, so feels good to be back here in a faster car. Just gonna hit the oval, have some fun out here, and enjoy the ISF. Hope to come back with the Supra once we get it tuned up, and that should be a trip, man. That should be really, really fun. Yo, that skylight's insane.